Today, we are going to start about the dictionary data structure. It is one of the powerful data structure present in Python, which is meant for to using to store the key value pair. For example, as we have seen before, like list, set, and tuple, if you want to represent group of individual object as a single entity, then we should go for either list or set or tuple. But if you want to represent a group of objects as a key value pair, then at that time we should go for using dictionary. In short, we call as DICT. We can create a dictionary data structure by using the curly bracket or by using the DICT, open bracket, close bracket, that's parentheses, predefined forms. Dictionary data structure contains key and value pair. What is the key value pair? In dictionary, key value pair are separated by colon symbol. One key value pair is called as item. A pair of key value pair, one key value pair is called as item. In dictionary, even the item is separated by comma symbol. In dictionary, duplicate keys are not allowed, but duplicate values are allowed. A dictionary key and a value can store same homogeneous type of element or maybe different, that is heterogeneous type of element, which we have extensively explained in list data structure. What do we mean by homogeneous? The type of each element belongs to same category, either integer type or float type or string type. If it is mix of both, like mix of all, like maybe integer type, float type, string type, everything is present, that is called heterogeneous type of element. In dictionary, insertion order is not preserved, means not fixed. Same like as set. Because in list we have seen insertion order is preserved, but in set, insertion order is not preserved. Similarly, in dictionary also, insertion order is not preserved. What I mean by insertion order? The way in which the sequence in which the elements are present in the input dictionary, while printing, it will give in the same order. But in dictionary, it will not give in the same order. Why? Because insertion order is not preserved. Dictionary size will increase dynamically. Why? Because suppose I create a dictionary, either I can add the key value pair or maybe I can remove the key value pair. It's a mutable object. Okay, so that's why it dynamically increase or decrease. Dictionary data structure cannot store the element in index order. Why? Because as we are saying that the insertion order is not preserved, so we cannot implement the indexing order. Indexing and slicing concept are not applicable. Dictionary object having mutable nature, as I have told you, mutable nature. So once I created a dictionary object, either I can add or I can remove, I can modify the dictionary object. Note, dictionary is a predefined class in Python. Once, if you create this dictionary object, means internally object is created for a dict class. When we should go for dictionary? If we want to represent a group of object as key value pair, then we should go for dictionary data structure. Symbol to create data structure for specific data structure. To create list, we need to use square bracket, open bracket, close bracket. To create table, we need to use parenthesis, open bracket, close bracket, parenthesis. To create set, we need to use curly bracket. Similarly, to create dictionary object, we need to use set, curly bracket, open bracket, and close bracket. Create dictionary. From the syntax, suppose I am using a variable called t is equal to key1, column value 1, key2, column value 2, key3, column value 3, something like that, key n, column value 1. Creating dictionary, we can create dictionary with the key value pair. Like for example, in dictionary, I'm taking the key like 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that, and giving the name. As a value, I'm taking the name like Ramesh or Ju. When I have a friend, it will give me 1 column Ramesh, 2 column or Ju, 3 column Erickson. Suppose I have to create an empty dictionary. So D is equal to open bracket, close bracket. Into D, it will give me obviously the empty bracket. Whenever I want to print the type of dictionary, so it will give me class dict. Why? Because it's a dictionary type. We can add a key value pair to empty dictionary. As we know, we can create an empty dictionary. For that empty dictionary, we can add key value pair also. For example, I create an empty dictionary D is equal to open bracket, close bracket, curly bracket. Then I want to add D of 1 is equal to Ramesh, D of 2 is equal to Arjun, D of 3 is equal to Niriksan. So here 1, 2, 3 are key. Ramesh, Arjun, Niriksan will act as a value. So while adding in the dictionary, it will be 1 colon Ramesh, 2 colon Arjun, and 3 colon Niriksha. Okay. First of all, it's very simple, I think, right? Now, access value by using key from dictionary. For example, I have to access some value. How to do that? By using key also, I can access the value. For example, D is equal to 1 colon Ramesh, 2 colon Arjun, 3 colon Niriksha. If I want to access Ramesh, Arjun, Niriksha, then I can write print D of 1. D of 1 means what is the corresponding value of key 1. D of 2. Print D of 2 means what is the corresponding value of key 2. D of 3 means what is the corresponding value of key 3. So it is giving Ramesh, Arjun, and Niriksha. Okay, it's very simple. Example, by writing the for loop also, by writing only 2 lines of code, I can get everything. For I in D, print I, comma, D of I. So print I means it is giving me the key, that is 1, 2, 3. D of I means it's giving me corresponding value, that is Ramesh, Arjun, and Niriksha. Of the dictionary, for example, my dictionary contains some sort of value. For that particular key, I want to update the value. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. We can update the key in dictionary. D of key is equal to value. Case 1. While updating the key in dictionary, if key is not available, then a new key will be added at the end of the dictionary with specific value. For example, when updating the key in dictionary, if keys already exist, then old value will be replaced with a new one. So in that case, what happens? The value will be overridden by the new value. Let's take one example for case 1. 1 colon Ramesh, 2 colon Arjun, 3 colon lyrics. Here I have to add D of 10 is equal to Hari. Is key 10 is available in dictionary D? No. So a newly added key value pair will be added in the existing dictionary, that is 10 colon Hari at the end, like after the last key value pair, that is 3 colon lyrics. So it's added 10 colon Hari. Okay, fantastic. Now coming to case 2. Already 1, 2, 3 key are present. For example, I will write D of 3 is equal to Chandu. So here key is already present. If I have to update like D of 3 is equal to Chandu, then what will happen? Here 3 colon Nirikshan is present. Just the value of Nirikshan will be overridden by Chandu. Now as an output, it will give me 1 colon Ramesh, 2 colon Arjun, and 3 colon Chandu. Here value is overridden by the latest value of the new. Removing or deleting element from dictionary. By using del keyword, we can remove the key. By using clear also, we can clear the object in dictionary. For example, by using del keyword. So 10 D of key. Take one example. For example, D is equal to 1 colon Ramesh, 2 colon Arjun, 3 colon lyrics are already present. So before deleting key from the dictionary, I want to print. So it will give me 1 colon Ramesh, 2 colon Arjun, and 3 colon Ramesh. Lyrics. Suppose I write del D of 1. So here I have to delete the key value pair where key is equal to 1. So you can see where key is equal to 1, the value is associated with 1 is a Ramesh. So 1 colon Ramesh will be deleted out. Then what are the rest of the things? 2 colon Arjun, 3 colon Nirikshan will be there. So as a part of output after deletion, it will give me 2 colon Arjun and 3 colon. Guys, get it out so far? Could you please let me know? So far, so good. Any doubt being on the chart? Okay. Now, by using delete, we can delete a dictionary object. Like for example, del name of the dictionary. For example, already a dictionary is present. D is equal to 1 colon Ramesh, 2 colon Arjun, 3 colon. I have to delete the entire dictionary. So I'll simple write del of D. Previously, what happens? I'm trying to delete a particular key value pair. That's why I've written del D of 1, which is 1, and its associated value will be deleted. But here I'm adding del D, which entirely that dictionary you should delete. So print D means you can see name D is not defined. Why? Because I have already deleted this. Okay. Now, I want to find the length of that dictionary. For example, in a dictionary, key value pair are present, like 100 colon Ramesh, 200 colon Arjun. So 2, what is the length of the dictionary? 2. If I write length of D, the ln of D, it will give me length of dictionary 2. Why? Because only 2 pairs are present. Because one key value pair will consider as a single length, right? Methods in dictionary class, data structure. To discuss, dictionary is a predefined class. Dictionary class content method because method can be created inside of class. We can check this method by using dir parameter predefined function. So internally, dict class content two type of method. With the underscore method, we no need to focus on. Without underscore symbol, we need to focus on, which we have already extensively in list data structure. For example, I'll write simply print dir of dict. You can see with underscore method like underscore class underscore subclass book underscore. So we do not much worry about that underscore method. What we have to worry about, what we have to focus on, that is important method like without underscore, that is clear item, keys, values. Okay, important point. As per object-oriented principle, if we want to access insta method, then we should access by using object. So all dictionary method we can access by using dict object. Important method. Let's take some important method. Clear method, keys method, value method. Let's try to see the use case of clear method. For example, I have a dictionary called what colon, which contains what colon Ramesh, 2 colon Arjun, 3 colon direction. Now I have to clear. Clear means I have to remove all the elements, all the key value pairs from the dictionary. Simply I will write d dot clear. After clearing, you will see it will be empty dictionary. Clear the method in dictionary class. We should access the method by using dictionary object. This method remove all the entries in dictionary. After deleting all entries, it just empty dictionary. You see, empty dictionary, open bracket, close bracket, nothing is there in gap. Okay. Yeah. Now we have successfully completed the clear method. Now let's see use of case. By using case is a method in dictionary class. We should access this method by using dict object. This method returns all the keys associated with the dictionary. For example, a dictionary contains 100 colon Ramesh, 200 colon Niriksha, 300 colon 1. I want to find out, I want to extract all the key present in that dictionary. Is it possible? Yes, happily it's possible. So I will write a for loop for k in d dot case, which is a predefined function. Then I will write print k. It will give me all the keys which is present in that particular dictionary, which is 100, 200, and 300. Similarly, how I'm extracting the keys from a dictionary, is it possible I can extract all the values from a dictionary? Happily possible. Is it definitely possible? So for that, we have a predefined function called values. Values is a method, a function in dict class. We should access this method by using dict object. This method returns all values associated with a dictionary. For example, same dictionary I am taking 100 colon Ramesh, 200 colon Niriksha, 300 colon 1. I'm writing a for loop saying that for k in d dot values. Here I'm taking d dot keys, but here I'm taking d dot values. And if I am print k, it will give me all the value. It will extract all the value and it will give me like a Ramesh, Niriksha, and 1. Similarly, the last and foremost concept that we have seen in yeast, as well as it said, that is the dictionary compression. A dictionary compression represents creating new set from iterable object like a list, set, tuple, dictionary, and range. Dictionary compression code is very concise. For example, I'll try to find out the square of each values present in the dictionary. So A colon A star A for A in the range of 1 to 6. For example, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 different temperatures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all the value associated with those respective key are nothing but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I just want to make only the value as a square. So 1 square 1, that is 1. 2, that is 4. 3 square, that is 9. 4 square 2, that is 16. 5 square 2, that is 25. So you can see I'm squaring the value, but I'm keeping the key as it is. That's why you can see all the respective value, which is square of their respective keys that I've printed. Thank you so much. With this, we have successfully completed the dictionary data structure. If you have any doubt, you can ping on the comment section. I will immediately reply so that your doubt will be clarified. Thank you so much.